go to train in the morning day.
Why are you so? It's good that it rained, no? At least it drizzled like thoda sa.
Yeah, but the streets
Hey,
were all
wait.
cheap.
Did it like rain completely?
Apparently
just
it was
drizzled.
It poured.
It was pouring.
It
apparently.
poured at night.
Oh.
It's
I don't
raining
know
again.
Raining. It's pouring.
It's Jabe.
Why?
Mood off for the rain. It's so dull and gloomy and
You don't like dull and gloomy. I love
Me
the
too.
rains, except for when I have to go out in the rain. I don't like them. If I'm sitting inside the comfort of my house and not in the chikkal that I have to walk through, I'm fine.
No, I don't mind that also.
You like walking through the chikkal?
No, I don't like walking through it, but if I have to, it's okay.
okay.
I do not like it. Yeah, absolutely. I'm like, no.
How do you like the gloomy
Bro,
weather?
so I'll tell
Paisa.
you. No.
You met me. I'm a gloomy person.
You're all chirpy in the morning. Tu chup.
In the morning, especially imagine rains plus Sam in the morning. Ah.
Insert SpongeBob right here.
I will not.
Insert it, Samantha. Insert it. Me talking to future Sam. But no, I like. So, have you ever in the rains stood at Bandra trying to catch a rickshaw or a bus or anything just to go to office? Okay? Because I have. I'm standing in the rain like this. And I'm not moving out of choice. No. It's the wind. The wind is just like,
Hele dole mata fulle.
yeah, dude. And it rains. So I absolutely despise it, when it's raining. When it rains this way, and then it rains this way, and then it rains. I'm like, just choose a bloody
I love
direction
that.
and rain.
I'm just like,
No, that is not me. I'm fighting for my life. My laptop is there, and then I'm like in the middle messaging my boss, be like, I will be a little late today to join this call because when
I wait.
I'm just like getting this by the rain right now. So when we were in the right at this office currently, we don't have like fixed desks and everything. You have to book your desk. So when we were at the previous office, right, we had designated desks and all. So what I used to do during the rains, right, I used to take my scooter and go to the office, and I used to have like a set of clothes in the office. Cause if God forbid in the rain season it doesn't rain and you're wearing your stupid fucking rain sheeter, you're sweating nonetheless. Okay, so having a rain sheeter is just guarantee you are going to get wet.
isn't it wind sheeter?
No, it's rain.
Rain sheeter, wind sheeter,
Isn't
rain
it
sheeter.
raincoat and wind sheeter?
She hybridized it.
I thought you got it right, guys. You got it right.
Also, I don't know if I'm audible because half the time when I'm editing, I realize I'm too soft because I pass comments very softly. And
And
then
I was judgmental half the time.
Yes.
So it's a good thing.
Too funny. So yeah, so this has happened to me so many times, and do I learn my lesson? No, I do not. That was my no. You keep it no to yourself, Komal.
it was a community no.
No, not
Does
Sarah.
Rachel learn her lesson? No.
Moving on. So before when the rain seasons have just started, right? And I'm like, you know what? It's gonna rain. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be windy. I need to do this every time it rains because when I'm in the riding with the scooter, I'm like I can't see, so I'm just there with my finger like. But
Actually, I'm not sure why do you take your scooter in the rains. Like you got metro, you got trains, you got Uber.
Metro is the आज के ज़माने में. The ज़माने
Yeah.
she was working in, उस ज़माने में नहीं
The
था.
Zamana.
no, bro, this I'm talking about like 2019, 2018, 2019.
Ah, okay.
So that time there was no metro, and that time my office was in Powai.
Okay.
So I used to take RA Colony and go. Now the thing is, it's raining, okay? RA Colony, first of all, the road is already narrow. There is no way in hell you just stand on the side, remove your wind sheeter from the dick, keep donning. By
Not
the time you
happening.
do all this circus,
You're
the
right.
rains have come and the rains have gone. And you're just there. So what I started doing is, I used to tie it around my waist.
Okay.
So put the pant part of it on and just tie it around my waist. And then as soon as it started raining, just pause, put it on and go. But then that also I realized you should take time to do. So after a point, I just was like, I'll wear the whole damn raincoat and keep the zip open. But by the time I've reached office, my whole back is wet if it's not
Obviously.
raining. Okay, because you're sweating so much, and even though you're traveling at good, like not stopping anywhere, not getting stuck in traffic, you're still sweating, right? Now my problem started happening is that I'm getting wet none the fucking less. Okay, because I'm like, I put a wind cheater, I put a rain cheater, raincoat, I still get wet. I do not put it, I get wet. I'm like, there is no way I'm winning in this
So
situation.
might as well get wet.
Yeah, and that by that point I was not as good with trains, okay, as I am now, because now I travel very regularly with the trains. And to go to Powai, obviously you have to get on a Andheri and then take. And there was an office bus, but who the heck is going to get up so early in the morning? The station is only so pretty far away from where I stay right now. So I was like, you know what, the scooter is the only option. But it's just ugh. Now when I go and I have to take that umbrella. First of all, I don't like those small umbrellas.
Big umbrellas for life.
But then when you're traveling in the train with a big ass umbrella.
This
You put it and
one,
use it as
this
a
one, whenever she carries her umbrella, I have refused to hold her umbrella. It irritates me. It's that long ass one with a handle.
Oh, nice.
She doesn't catch it. She'll be like, hold for 1 minute, na? And then she's gone. And I'm like, and I will give it to her. I'm going to take your umbrella, take it back. I will not catch it. I will hold it for 2 minutes exactly. She told me, and then I will give it to her back. That umbrella pisses me off. I was like, I will get wet in the rain. I'm fine with that. I don't like her. Because those big umbrellas, right? When they take so much space, not sometimes they'll go in someone's eye, this and that.
It's a chota umbrella also will go.
Have you seen people walking with those big ass umbrellas? They don't carry it straight. They carry it freaking horizontal.
Those
Yeah.
kids are stupid.
And this has happened to me at fucking station. I'm climbing up the steps. This one guy with a big ass umbrella like this, he's walking, and I'm like, brother, you about to impale me with your fucking umbrella. Can you please calm the shit down?
Yes, umbrellas make good walking sticks. Nice.
Yeah,
I
they
use
do.
it as a This one, yeah, so even if I use it as a walking stick, sometimes when Adya, she's not looking Adya, and I will use it as a walking stick and go. What she doesn't know doesn't need to bother her.
Now I know it. No what?
It won't bother you.
The rains are just coming up, guys. It's just
I am
coming
sitting
up.
at home, I don't know anywhere to go.
If only my life was like this.
I don't want to go to work in the rains.
You
I
stay
don't have
so
to.
close to your work now.
What if I have to go to the site?
Sounds
Sounds
like
like
you,
you
bro.
pro-
I
yeah.
know, right? Like, I have to travel to Bandra, BKC, and I'm like, I don't want to.
Don't you travel to Navi Mumbai?
No, that's sometimes.
Oh, okay.
The days I have to travel to Navi Mumbai, I just go with the boss in the car. But I come back by train. The worst part is if it's raining, pouring, and you're stuck on that Central Western Harbour line
God,
thing,
fuck.
okay? First of all, the first thing that stops working is the damn train over there. Western line, to fir bhi Western line, you really need really something crazy to happen for Western
Harbour
line
line
to
will
be like,
just
no.
stop.
Yeah, Harbour line is like, भर गया भाई, भर गया, मैं नहीं जा सकता आगे. I'm not even kidding. Okay,
I didn't think so,
Western line is so.
First Harbour goes, then
Then
Central goes,
then
Western कब ही जाया तो गया.
Huh. So it's like if you really need to start worrying about the rains is when Western line
Yes.
stops. Because then you actually lose connectivity to kind of everywhere within the Western line, right? And then it becomes an inconvenience to well, Mumbaikars. Up until if the Western line is working, Mumbaikars are like, ठीक है भाई, चल
Really?
जाएगा, हो जाएगा, manage तो हो जाएगा, पर पहुंच तो जाएगा. The minute Western line stops, no. I think this one time I was stuck in. I was coming from this Turbe from office, and the first leg of the train from Juinagar till Vadala I reached. Okay, and now till Vadala I am sitting at Vadala for half an hour. The trains are not coming because the trains are stopped. Apparently there's some water logging and all. It's not raining that day. I don't know how there was a water logging, but there's a water logging. And the train is stopped. And I'm talking to Adi. I'm like, I just need to reach to the Western line. मैं कैसा भी करके Western line पहुंच जाएगा ना, मैं घर पहुंच जाएगा. I have no tension about that. I just need to reach from Badala to Bandra or Badala to Mahim also. If I reach, no, I'm
Really
sorted. I literally was contemplating that day कि I'll take the metro, the monorail from Badala and try doing till Dadar or something and then switch over. And I was like,
Doable.
wow. Yeah, I was like doable, but then luckily the train came. And it was a train till Bandra only, and then Bandra pe again, then I shift. Bandra to shift.
Once you're in Western line,
Yeah.
you're easy.
I know, right? It's so easy. But now even, dude, have you travelled by that new metro, the
Which
2A and the Daisar and the this one Gundavli one which they separated?
Yes.
Have you travelled on it after they separated the lines?
Yes.
Have you had to do the change? Apparently, it's a very big inconvenience to people when you have to change. I think you have to change at Rashtriya Udyan. I'm not too sure where, but you exit the red line
And enter the blue line.
and enter
The yellow
the
line.
yellow line. But the exit is not as smooth as they've advertised it to be.
Okay.
So it's like a good 5 to 6 minutes to just change. Previously, it was just one thing, right? Now it's 5 to 6 minutes of
No,
change.
but I've
Apparently.
seen trains from Gundavli going directly to Andheri West. Like, goes all the way around.
Yeah, but you have to change it apparently.
Oh.
You have to, because till one point it's the red line. After that one point it becomes yellow line. So you have to change it.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, that was crazy. Samantha is like, I don't travel, I don't have such problems.
She has simple life
I
problems.
know, right? Sam's just waiting for us to stop recording so she can finish her book. The one she's sitting with right here.
The girl in
Chains. Oh, it's
You're free.
really good.
Huh?
You're free.
What?
Girl in Chains, you're free. Samantha.
See,
I judge you.
you always judge me.
what
तू
was that
हरकत ही
accent?
वैसे करता है.
I know, right?
But yeah, I think I will make a separate video, like a short. I was even so while these people were talking, I was just sitting and thinking, what can I make a video like after? So she's finished the book, and I'm going to finish it. Like I have 100 pages or something left.
Where are you right now? You're 3:15. It ends at 3:59 something.
360.
So 10 pages.
3:15,
Hmm?
3:15 to 3:61 is 10
Oh,
pages.
50 pages.
I was making fun of her, man. I was like, was I wrong all this
I
time?
also looked at him like, Rachel, I don't think
I have
this
heard
is right.
350
That
and
man
359.
I also got bamboozled. But yeah, so I will be making a separate video where we tag Devashish Sardana. So I'm so scared to pronounce his name.
You said it
Why?
right. Devashi.
I sometimes pronounce things, the names I get very scared to pronounce, right? So
Tag him correctly.
and that I
Yeah.
will.
That we will.
So then I'm just gonna make a separate short on this and be like, guys, this book.
It's a really good book. I mean, I think it just released like last week or so.
And we were like, at
But
cart.
yeah, we went crazy with the adding to cart bit because I was just like so excited to read it. So we've read the other 3 books of his,
Yeah.
and it's like a whole series now, and the series is going to continue. And I am just so excited. So I did not expect the book to actually be coming out this year because the last book just came out last year, and I thought it will come out next year. So
Okay.
generally, I see that he has like one and a half year-ish gap, kind of, when he's writing. And I was like, when it came out and I seen it on the story, I was like, Samantha, he has released it now. And then Samantha bought the book for me, guys. I was so happy about it. It was a very cute story. I was sitting in the office and I was telling her, Samantha, the book is out, Samantha, the book is out. And then I added it to my Amazon cart and I was like, okay, wait. I was talking to her and I was like, I've added to the cart. Should I just go and buy it now? And I was like, okay, wait, I'll just buy it for the 2 of us. So I added both the books. I came back to the cart and it has disappeared from the cart. And I was like, where did it go? Did it like just get sold out or did he like just remove it from Amazon at that very moment when I was going to purchase? And I was like, Samantha, it's not in the cart anymore. And Samantha was like, oh, check your orders then maybe. And I was like, and me with my brain was not braining at that point. I was like, what? And I was like, okay. I went and checked in the orders and I seen the order and I was like, Samantha, you did not. I was so happy. I was like, oh god, I could not wait for the book. I was so excited, so excited. You cannot even believe I had to wait for 2 days. The book was sitting right here in the house. I had to wait for 2 days because we decided we'll read it together. I could not wait. Only I know how I waited. I had to literally hide the book so I don't see it.
The funniest was the sugarcore or spy that I've left in this house, Adi. He was over here. Okay. So she opened the book and she was reading about the author or something like that. He takes a picture and sends me, "Ye book pad rahi
By
hai."
the way, that was staged by Adi and I.
Too
for
funny.
you.
Too
So
funny.
Adi was like, what if we just send her a picture? I was like, we could. I'll just pretend to start reading the book. You can send her a picture. And that's when he sent you the picture. I didn't read anything, by the way. He sent you the picture and you were like, put the book down. And I was like, I pretended to be like, oh my god, Samantha, how did you know? But it was staged, guys.
You
That
said
was fun.
sweet. I come in today. So Rachel's finished reading. Sam hasn't. To give Sam the audiobook experience, Sam's reading, Rachel's narrating. I'm like,
Shit.
why? Okay.
Do not. Why are you doing that? No. I will beat you. I'll
We
throw
know.
you out of this house.
We know.
But yeah, because I finished. So we did this actually 2 days back, also on Friday.
Yeah.
When
we started the book.
when we started the book, and Sam, we read I think the first chapter in our own minds, because I read at a good pace. Sam reads at a glacial pace. So,
Yeah. I'm a slow reader.
so she was reading, and then after this, we were like, what if we read it out aloud? So Sam got her audiobook experience.
And in that one experience of reading, I don't know, we ate dinner at that, like before that. I don't know what I put in the food. We both were acting like as if we were drunk. And like we were reading, at one point she was reading Chibi. I pretended to not because she was fumbling a little bit also. I was like, if I laugh at her, she's gonna stop reading. And I was like, I need this experience right now. So I control. She has been staring at me. So I was on the bed lying down. She was sitting this side. So like we were kind of in this position. And she's staring at me. And I can feel the glares over here. Okay?
And this one.
I was controlling
And
her.
this is how she looks at me. Okay, bitch, laugh no. But it was absolutely. So this one was reading one chapter. I think it was chapter 4 or something. And the chapter, this was Sam before reading. Okay, just pretend I'm Sam. Oh, this is a small chapter. I read. Okay, and she starts. This one has that chapter has the word amma so many times. Samantha, every second sentence was amma, 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 amma. And in my mind, I'm like humma, 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 humma. This one fumbled. I think I read maybe 2-3 chapters in like maybe 10 to 12 minutes. This one took one chapter, kill it 10 minutes. Because there was so many ammas in the chapter. I think you must have not called your mother this many times in your whole life. This many times amma has come over here. This one, it was absolutely hilarious because
Also, I have a bad cough. So every time I try to read faster, my throat is like, no, we're not going to let you do that. And I start coughing, and 3-4 times she asked me, do you want me to read? I was like, no, I will persevere to this chapter now.
so this was Sam.
And I was
like, there was one point
For
where
refer-
she was drinking water and I have continued to read first. She's like, hey, no reading further. I was like,
For reference, her doing was Sam drinking from the bottle.
yeah, obviously, what else? People are not thinking she's doing weed over there in the middle of reading the book, bro.
Why
the
not?
difference in us, I thought people will be chai. This one that directly goes to weed only.
Because that is the universal weed.
I do this for chai. I don't know what weed
It would be
is.
a fun thing if she goes to the shop that sells both and goes like,
दुकान वाला is going to be like, बहन कहना क्या चाहते हो? साफ साफ बताओ. He'll probably bring chai
आपको
patti.
chai
Weed वाला
patti
chai
चाहिए.
patti. He puts it and be like,
Is
la,
it
la, la,
there?
la. I don't know, bro.
no
Yes,
idea.
the motherfucking Gigo Gavaji. It's not good.
Can I go back to reading?
No. I thought we just said no.
She gonna be sad.
Like, I think she told me that after this one certain part, it gets extremely interesting. So I'm like, we'll be done with all of the work and then I will continue.
You got
reading.
50 pages. Is this not gonna be interesting
You
yet?
sure? It's not 10 pages?
He didn't need to be attacked like that. No, it is very interesting. So in the between, so this time, no, the way he's written it, if anyone plans to read it, spoiler alert.
Hello.
No, not like that. So generally the way he writes the books is right. We get the view of the
Killer.
as
Oh.
well, and there are few other like important kind of villainy characters you get views of. But this time the way he's written it, right, you don't get that perspective. Okay, but it still picks, and so there are these points where it mellows a little. And it's not like a reading like it gets boring. No, it mellows a little and then it picks up. So when it picks up, right, you're just like so I was reading last night and Adi was on video call and I was just lying down here. I reached this one point and my whole body shifts and I'm like, brother, what? And I shit you not, until that point I was like, okay, it's going. And I was like, what? Where did this come from? Out of nowhere, dude. So the way he's written it, no, I absolutely love it. I mean, it even in the Mindfuck series that we were reading, the POVs that you get, right,
Oh, brilliant.
are really good. I mean,
There
I
is-
definitely think we should start a
Yeah.
book club with just thrillers, horrors, and stuff.
We can do that. Should we do that?
Like, I will definitely make a video on this. Like, not explaining the book, but like, I think when I started and like midway through, right, yesterday, I was thinking maybe since we want to tag him, right, and my account is private, so he generally can't see the stories. So we created some really cool reels and all yesterday. like the day before, and like we put it on our stories and everything.
We sound like groupies. We are not. We were just very excited. People who are like
Fangirls.
My
You're not fangirling though, so.
We are fangirling for the creation that he's done. Like the style of writing is really good. I know you were judging me there.
Where?
There.
Where?
So basically the way he's written each book, right? His writing is so simple and easy to comprehend, right? That it makes you want to read more. And I think that's an art not a lot of authors have. Like even for me, I'm an audiobook person, right? But the fact that I can read through this book, like we started this just that day. And if I did not have the like yesterday, just because Rich finished the book, now I didn't want to finish the book. Otherwise, I would have finished the book. So the story behind this is, we start series together, and I always finish the last book because someone here has an attachment issue with finishing the last book. So I have to wait weeks for her to finally get this will to read the book.
Oh.
So the last Mindfuck series that we read, right, it was so brilliant that I was like, if you don't finish this series by today, like she was almost at the end of it,
And
and
it was a month end also, okay?
Yeah.
And she gave me a little leeway for that. But
yeah, like I was like, if you're doing work, it's fine, okay? But just because you don't want to read the book, because I was like, I will give you a very big spoiler in the book, and I would have. Because she literally does not read them. So just because I wanted her to feel my pain, I stopped reading yesterday and I went to sleep. I was like,
So I don't do this with just books. I do this with series or anything. Like the last season, because I know I have to part ways with this. The last book or the last series, right? I will always, season of a series, I will always be like,
Don't want it to end.
yeah.
Like I think Good Girls Guide to Murder, the third book, I took over a month to finish reading. Over a month.
And I read it so fast because I thought someone will finish the book fast.
That was like the first time we had that experience, right? Where. So yeah, that happened. But
So-
now because I know that there are more books coming out in this series, I was like, anticipation max pro.
I think with these books, the worst problem is how they close or end the entire series.
No, but that's the thing. Right? The way he writes his books, right? If he stops here, there will still be some sort of a closure that you
Oh no, I'm not about closure. I'm talking about how
The
how you said it.
cliffhangers.
No, not the cliffhanger. When the series is ending, when you have to shut down the series, you have to give that final closure, goodbye.
Oh, yeah.
Some authors do it cliche, some authors do it brilliantly.
Yeah.
Some just go there.
Yeah. Some I don't know, like I maybe a little controversial. I don't like the way Harry Potter also ended.
Yeah, it was a very happy ending.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I don't know why I have something against happy ending.
Me too.
I'm just like
Not realistic enough.
Yeah, they're not
like,
realistic.
like Friends, right? I do not
Yeah.
like the way Friends end. But How I Met Your Mother, I actually, except for the whole Robin thing, I actually like how it ends.
Yeah.
Like Tracy passing on. I feel like it's a natural thing that
Progression.
could
Yeah.
happen to anyone, right? Like you find the love of your life and then she's just gone.
Yeah. No, I'm listening.
So why did you make that
He
face?
replied to me.
To-
The author. Like we basically messaged him just telling how much we appreciate him.
Samantha, this just reinforces not that you are not a groupie.
Okay, I don't care about that. But like a lot of series, like see, I also don't like the Friends ending. Like I think I watched Friends 3-4 times. I can't rewatch it anymore. It doesn't give me the same.
It's a very
feeling.
happy-go-lucky
Yeah,
ending
sure.
that they give you.
See,
The series is fine, like they go through a lot
Yeah.
of things in the series, but the ending I'm always like,
yeah.
Then
like,
get down and satisfying.
yeah, like I don't know if you guys have seen the series called The Good Place.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, beautiful ending. Like
The ending is
best
just
ending ever.
perfect. It's just a perfect. Like the first time I watched it, I was like, damn.
Yeah.
Couldn't end this way.
What an ending! Like
Yeah.
I felt so satisfied for every character's ending, and they took the time.
Yeah.
They gave each character, the ending that they would have wanted in a way, and I'm like,
I really
that's-
loved it.
yeah, that
They were a
ending
brilliant
was.
ending.
The ending was really good. Like even How I Met Your Mother's ending, I love the ending. Brooklyn Nine-Nine also, the ending is really really nice. I mean, with Jake leaving his job for Amy and Amy progressing, I feel like it kind of shows how much he has matured from like season 1 Jake to the end season, Jake. This is something that I really
Yeah,
like.
but the ending was horrible. Where they all come back for the Halloween heist.
I think that they just did it for the.
I don't know, man.
The-
If that just ended at Jake leaving, it would have been a nice thing.
I don't think I've seen the last Halloween. But, I think I stopped at where Jake left to leave.
Oh.
Probably that is why I like the ending so much then.
Sorry
This
for ruining it.
reinforces my point. She doesn't finish stuff.
Yeah, at least
No,
she's
but
finishing the podcast.
I was just going to say that. At least she was just finishing the podcast.
Because there is no end date to this podcast, guys.
Guys are ending this podcast this year, last season.
I will not meet Tony now to record.
Yeah,
That means it will just end, no?
yeah.
So wait, this is how the podcast ends.
Imagine the viewers only here and now people see a headless station.
I'll cut your head right now. Then be like nearly
Nearly
headless.
headless.
You won't say nearly headless, Nick, when your name is Rachel.
But
I think we can have another podcast where we just talk about like book endings or like show endings. Show endings, yeah. Not
Love
like
life.
not revealing it, but even with the Harry Potter stuff, like I have a lot to say about it.
We know.
No. Like
Will you be
I'm
able to edit it though?
Without
Not
breaking the
that.
screen.
not debating on Snape, not touching his character at all.
Oh, there's so many more trigger points I have for you in Harry Potter.
So there is
That was so patient.
there are like a lot, like now that I'm watching the movies, right? Like I've seen the Half-Blood Prince, I've seen a lot of them in parts. So this is the
And
first
you
one.
tell me.
I don't have the attention span to watch it for that long. Not that I have a problem with it ending. I have seen the last movie completely.
You don't like Harry Potter anymore. I'll tell Daniel.
He doesn't even care of all people. But yeah, so it's like even the
Also, Daniel Radcliffe has made much better movies just for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
he's a very good actor.
Yeah.
He's not Reigns, dude. He's done Reigns, not Reigns.
Range, I heard range.
But how does it make sense?
He's
Daniel
not
got
Reigns.
Reigns. Daniel got Reigns.
I heard he made Reigns. So I was like,
How the fuck will he make Reigns? He's not Ted dancing to the rain god over there.
have you seen the amount of weird movie names that have come out recently? Reigns is a brilliant name for a movie name.
Hey, by the way, anybody seen Sheep Detective?
Yes!
Oh my god!
Shub, I don't need spoilers. I want to go watch
Then
it.
why the fuck would you ask us?
Ryan,
To ask if it's good and worth watching today.
Yes!
Okay.
It
it is. It very
The
much
whole-
is.
I want to just point out the whole podcast we've been hyper and not once did he get up. This time we were so loud. He's like, the fuck happened, guys?
You should. What? Oh god.
We are
Featuring.
going. We are going.
Bye. Oh, he's sad. Nice.
Is someone going to press pause?
Yes.
This could be a blooper. Is someone going to press pause? Is someone going to
Move it.
press pause? What is this? He's a donkey or what?
Doesn't have the looks of a donkey, but he probably is with the brain cells he has.
I thought you were going to watch Sheep Detectives last week.
He's